Hello friends, our today's topic is about one of the most trending topic of our networking, which name is IPv6. Okay, in our last video we have discussed about IPv4 address, okay, and we have configured our IPv4 address on Cisco packet tracer, and we have discussed about how to do subnetting and how to do configuration on routers and PCs. So our today's topic is IPv6 Internet Protocol version 6. Internet Protocol version 6. Okay, first of all, why we need IPv6? Actually, in our IPv4 addresses, if we talk about IPv4, then in IPv4 address we have a 32-bit address and 4.3 billion IPv4 addresses are there. And we know that the all over the world population is going to be 8 billion. Okay, within just years or 2 years it will become 8 billion. And we are using private IP address, we are using subnetting, but at one time IPv4 address are going to not in the use in the market because it is already used. So that's why we need one new IP address, that name is IPv6. So what is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6? In IPv4 it was 32-bit address, it was the decimal address, it was represented by dot, okay, it was represented with 4 octet, it has classes, and we have done with classes subnet mask. And in IPv4 address is what we have learned about classes is done dot 4.3 billion IPv4 address approximate. So in IPv6 it is 128-bit address, it is in the hexadecimal format, okay, it is represented by colon, it is represented like this 16 colon 16 16 this. So it is a huge and large IP address. It has no concept of classes, okay. Instead of subnet mask, IPv6 is using CIDR value, like we call it prefix length. Like in IPv4 we were using like this 10.0/8 172.16.0/16 192.168.1.0/24, okay, and after that we will convert this value into subnet mask like 255.0.0.0 255.255.0.0 and 3 times 255.0. But in this IPv6 we can only choose prefix length. Okay, so how to write IPv6 address? Okay, so first of all, for example, this is my IPv6 address. I'm using IPv6 address 00000001 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so see, 8 hexas are there. So in this I can choose like 0 db8 0 1 0 0 0 1. Like instead of 40 I can put single 0. Okay, so if you want to shorten the expression of IPv6 address, you can also use like this 2001 0 db8 0 1 double colon 1. Like group of 0 can be represented with double colon. But for example, sometime we got 2001 0 0 1 0 dot 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. So now we have two group of zeros. Okay, so you can write this IPv6 address like this, or you can write this double colon 1, but you are not allowed to use two double columns like 2001 double colons 1 double colon 1. This is wrong, because then router will confused like which part has 20, which part has 3 zeros. So this is the expressions for shorting the router. Now for example, I was writing IPv4 addresses like this. Sorry, IPv4 like 10.0.0.1/8. So 8 part will be the network ID and this part will be the host ID. 172.16.1.1.16, this part should be the network ID and this part will be the host ID. So in IPv6, for example, you are writing 2001. I'm using 2001 because it belongs to private IP address. 10. I'm just writing like this. 0. For example, I am writing here 16. So it means 16-bit is network, rest all part will be used as a host IP address. So that's why that's why I just want to let you know that /64 up to /64 we are not able to use because this is global prefix that I will explain you in another next videos about it. Okay, so in IPv4 we were using like 8, 16, 24 and 32, but in IPv6 we have to use 16, 32 like this and 128. 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112 and 128. So this is the basic description. When you are going to work on practical, then you will easily understand. For example, instead of 16, I am using here 96. So means 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96. So this part is your network part and this part will be your host part. So when you will configure this IPv6 address, then you will easily understand about the concept of IPv6. Thank you so much.